So here we are on the morning of day 2. As you can see, the snow has finally stopped. Sun is coming out a little bit. There we are, probably blinding us. Sorry about that. I'm leaning out the window and the window just sort of fell a little bit. Here's our deck, of course. We'll get a person out there later on. We'll see just how high this is. Looks like about 5.5 feet drifts. Okay. And here we are looking at our neighbors' back deck, rear deck, the Johnsons, on the morning of January 8, 1996. I hear some shoveling going on in the background. I wonder if we can find out where that is. And here is the Toyota. You can see it's almost buried. And out there, even further, is the Honda. Yes, that's the Honda, I believe. Battery's getting low, so I'll go over here. Oops, sorry. And take a look at. If I can get mine out the window, the curtain's in my way. And this, I think there's the Johnson's cars under there somewhere. Yes, you can see that's the car. Okay. And now I'm going to have breakfast. See you later. Hello. Oh, sorry, I had the wrong button.
Hey, look at this, we're getting plowed. It is now Monday, January 8th at 3:09 p.m. This is, I guess, really day 3 of the blizzard of 96. It has completed now. There is no more snow going on here. And I hope that this guy, well, he's already plowed this huge mountain in front of our mailboxes, so we won't be able to get any mail. And he's doing a pretty good job at plowing in our driveway, so I'm not really sure what he's trying to do here. But I guess it is kind of a good sign we're getting plowed. We are pretty much besieged by the about 2 feet of snow here. Yeah, you can look around. Here's the huge snow mountain that I've built in front of the house. And it's just a very nice sunny day, about 26 degrees. Pretty good weather. The snow stopped about 9 or 10 this morning. And you can see, if he doesn't back into it back there, that's the Honda back there, which you can barely tell that there's even a car there. The snowplow guy is seeming to have little problems getting around. Just 2 feet of snow, it's kind of hard to plow out. I wonder if the homeowners hired this guy to come down or something, because obviously that is not a Virginia Department of Transportation vehicle. But there's the Honda, just buried in snow. I don't know if I'm ever going to get that out. But if the street's plowed, I can try and dig out around it, and we'll see what we can do. They are predicting possibility of some more snow Friday. Oh, and the wind's picking up now. I'm out here without a coat. I know you can see someone tracked through the snow down there. Now the Johnsons have got some of the pipes that cleared out down here, and it just looks like it's just amazing, the 4-foot walls of snow on the side of the driveway that have been created by the shoveling that we have done. Here you see the Toyota also kind of buried in the snow. And up on the roof, it's pretty much blown down to the driveway, unfortunately, except for that huge clump up there. But it is pretty big here. just a real immense amount of snow. And there were some kids jumping off that deck over there before, but they have now gone. Woo!
That. I hope everything is working. Automatic HSS.
Oh, look at the blowing.
Yeah.
Is that what it should be?
Whoa! Holy cow. I don't know if you can see the big mountain over by the door here. We can head over.
Whoa! We have an accidente here. Cold?
Yeah, I don't have any gloves on.
We have to fade here pretty soon. You ready to fade?
Oh yeah, we never recharged the battery.
I did. Oh God, you're gonna hurt yourself. That's too far.
We jumped off from the top part earlier. Are you ready?
No, yeah, that's ridiculous.
Are you ready?
It's like 18.
I'm ready, but I'm not taking you to the hospital.
Make sure just not going on the bridge.
God. What an idiot. Oh, now he broke his leg. Look, he hurt his right leg. See? I knew he was going to do that. Now he's... Yeah, I should have jumped on your head. You can just die then. My son, the idiota.
Hey, jump record me for the top part now.
Yeah.
Jump down onto here.
I'm going to fade you out. You may be wondering why I have this towel here over the window. It's because the sun there is very bright, and I'm working on a case here that has to be filed this week. Oh, the screen went blank. Let me hit this and maybe we'll come back on. Oh, now I get the old cycling. Unfortunately, the scan rate's not the same, so that doesn't work. There's our leaf left over from the New Year's Eve party. We haven't put that back yet. How about some nice, oh yeah, there's a nice wall hanging.
Looks like I'm going to be expected to go to work tomorrow since they plowed the street a bit.
Oh yeah, and you're still young and vigorous. And I don't know if you can see in the background here because the sun is so bright, but out here is the snow piled up on our deck. You can see there's the bottom down there where the deck is, and here is the snow, approximately 5 feet, would we say? Probably at least 5 feet high on our deck. And there's the sun. I guess you can see it kind of blowing around a little bit in the snow now. So I guess it's time to fade out.
Yeah. Be careful when you scrape.
Well, here those able-bodied members of the Wall family are out there shoveling away, while Justin and I, excuse me, semi-disabled, are here inside. They don't believe this, but we wish we could join them. You can see our neighbor here. Johnson has done a pretty good job of digging out his part of the pipe stem and has uncovered one of the cars. That clicking you hear probably is the lens cap banging against the window pane. Now got it back. Oh gosh, I can't get my head out. This jumping around is because this curtain here is hitting my head and keeping me from getting my head out the window. Sorry about that. There's some other kids over there that are busy shoveling out the Clausen's driveway. And there's the Honda. Looks like it's still not in very good shape, and you can see the snowplow has come down. And well, a truck with a blade in the front and has tried to do some good, but not too much. And there's Lucas working away. You can see it's going to be hard for the postman to get to our mailbox.
I doubt it.
Okay, well, I better get back to work now. Enough of this fooling around. If I can get my hand out the window, I will fade this. Well, Lucas is still shoveling out there by the Honda. Sorry if it's a little jerky here. I didn't brace myself very well. Let me reposition. And hopefully we're focusing on Justin here and not on the glass, so that's the garage. And there are our neighbors at play. And Justin at work. Mom in the background. Here comes someone down the driveway. I think I'm focusing on the windshield now. Oh, maybe now it's back. Whoops. Sorry about that. I hit the shutter thing instead of